as a captain looking at his compass to know which direction to sail the ship. Looking for a broader trend is as important for traders and investors as the captain looking at his compass. In this video, we'll explore the significance of trends in technical analysis and how they can guide your trading journey. So, let's get started. As we discussed in our previous videos, in technical analysis, a trend refers to the general direction in which the price of stock is moving. Identifying trends is like harnessing the market's pulse. It gives us valuable insights into the prevailing market sentiments and helps us predict potential future price movements. The importance of trend analysis lies in the ability to ride the wave. A strong trend, whether upward or downward, can present lucrative opportunities for traders. By identifying and aligning with the trend's direction, traders can capitalize on price movements and maximize their chances of profitability. Trends confirm price movements and offer a clear perspective on the market's behavior. They help traders distinguish between short term fluctuations and meaningful price shifts. Traders often use trend lines and moving averages to visually confirm and validate the trend's trajectory. With practice, you can do it with your naked eyes. Trends also act as an early warning system. Spotting potential trend reversal can alert traders to potential shifts in market or stock. Recognizing when prevailing trend might be losing momentum or reversing allows traders to adjust their strategies accordingly and protect their investments. The importance of trend analysis extends to shaping trading strategies. Depending on the identified trend, traders can adopt strategies like trend following and trend reversal. Trend following strategies involve riding the trend until signs of reversal, and trend reversal strategies aim to capitalize on potential shifts in direction. Remember, you have to adopt strategies according to market behavior. Trends play a pivotal role in risk management. By aligning trades with the prevailing trend, traders reduce the risk of entering the market at unfavorable times. Setting trailing stop loss orders can be more effective to protect your downside when trading with the established trend. Trends aren't indefinite, they can change direction. Recognizing potential trend reversals is important to avoid losses and capitalize on new opportunities. Reversal patterns like double tops and head and shoulders can signal an impending change in the trend's direction. Look for confirmation before assuming trend reversal. Trends play an important role in determining entry and exit points. In an uptrend, traders often seek to enter at pullbacks, aiming for lower prices within the trend. In downtrend, short selling opportunities may arise during price bounces. Successful traders use trends to guide their timing for buying and selling positions. With trend identification, traders look for trend continuation patterns. These patterns suggest that the current trend is likely to continue. Mostly they look for breakouts and breakdowns. Monitoring trends across different time frames provides a comprehensive view of an asset's price movements. Traders often use longer time frames to identify the primary trend and shorter time frames for precise entry and exit points. Trends offer insights into market sentiment, validate price movements, and guide our trading decisions. Understanding trends is like reading the language of the market.